If a human rights lawyer in Nigeria is being intimidated or arrested unlawfully with Nigerian police, speedily persecuted using the judiciary, sent to prison within the space of 48 hours, imagine ordinary citizens like us. Wallahi, ayiwatita. Anyway, let me explain. It's all over social media that Dele Farotimi, a human rights lawyer, was recently arrested in his office. He was arrested on the 2nd of December 2024. When he was arrested, there was no clue of who was responsible for his arrest, although the social media rumored that it was Tony Elumelu, the owner of UBA. Then later on, it was now discovered that Tony Elumelu had nothing to do with Dele Farotimi's arrest. It was a senior advocate of Nigeria, a senior lawyer in Nigeria. In fact, is one of #1 lawyers in Nigeria, aged almost 92 years old of age, that is involved or that is in charge or that gave the order of Dele Farotimi's arrest. And this is the reason why Dele Farotimi was arrested.
I'm saying that Ariafe Babalola corrupted the judiciary, and in corrupting the judiciary, it came across my practice. When I came across it, I challenged it as a lawyer and I fought it to the point where he could not enjoy the fruit of his exertion in the Supreme Court. In writing the letter that he wrote to the then Chief Justice of Lagos State, Ayomide Philip, he libeled me and I sued him for libel. And when I sued for libel, the machines of corruption went into overdrive, and a case that should never have been killed at the preliminary stage was killed. If Ariafe Babalola was the only person who is licensed to enjoy that level of impunity, that's different. It's not about him. It's a system-wide problem. You simply can't get justice from the system.
That video was the reason why Afe Babalola used the Nigerian police with his power and position to arrest Dele Farotimi, claiming that Dele Farotimi defamed his personality. He also accused Dele Farotimi of using his book, which you're seeing on your screen, to defame his personality.
It came to my knowledge that there is a charge that had been fraudulently preferred against me before a court in Ekiti State at the instance of Chief Afe Babalola. This charge had been fraudulently preferred, hidden from view, and the court had purportedly demanded my presence multiple times, and I had failed to appear before this court. And this court had then proceeded to issue a bench warrant for my arrest. This is classic Afe Babalola. I detailed his corruptive influence in my book, Nigeria and Its Criminal Justice System. And what he has done is exactly what he has always done in hiding. But he has done it this time again. And the calculations were that I would have been taken before this judge, who must have either been compromised or misled.
It has also been alleged that Afe Babalola has demanded that all the copies of those books that Dele Farotimi wrote should be withdrawn in the market and should not be in circulation again, as some chapters in that book defame his personality. So Afe Babalola is requesting that the copies of those books should be withdrawn from the market and never be seen in the market again. Now, here's the danger of this. If senior advocates of Nigeria, a son who understand the law of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, could use Nigerian police to intimidate or arrest people without following the due process, because the Nigerian police has nothing to do with anything defamation of character, because it's a civil offense. So whoever is defamed should go to court or sue. If you feel that somebody defamed you, you approach the court and sue the person, let the person pay for damages if you're found guilty doing that. Just like what Falanos did to Very Dark Man. Falanos said that Very Dark Man defamed their character or their personality, and they were not satisfied with that. They sued Very Dark Man to court, which the matter is still in court. But the Falanos would have also used their power or the names of their family or their connection to use police to arrest Very Dark Man. But the Falanos understand the law and the constitution, which made them approach the court by suing Very Dark Man instead of using police to intimidate him. And this is to the Nigerian police. Remember, you are there to protect and safeguard life and property, and not to be used to intimidate its citizens, irrespective of whoever is using you, because they might use it today. Tomorrow, it might be your turn. They will also use that law against you. So if a human rights lawyer could be arrested with the police and persecuted in less than 48 hours and sent to prison, you and I, as a Nigerian citizen, make we watch what we talk, because it's just like this. they don't carry you. Anyway, all you need in Nigeria is enough cash and connection. Know the people that matters. Remember, this son Afe Babalola is a very notable man in Nigeria, to the extent that Ekiti governor bow for him. In fact, a lot of politicians in Nigeria bow for him. He's very old, almost 92 or 93 years old of age. He has been around for a long time. So he knows his way around the law and also knows his way around the connection. He also knows his way around whatever you can think of in Nigeria. Anyway, I will not say more than this, as I've just passed the information of what is happening to you. I hope you understand the whole arrest behind Dele Farotimi. If you don't understand, that's the least I can say. Anyway, tell me what you think about this in the comment section. But before you do, please, it's important you do not forget to
enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.